Welcome back to Ryobi UK. Tonight we're going to be doing an unboxing video. It's a bit of a special one. It's 2:30 in the morning and I wanted to do this later at night while my wife's in bed. Reason being, I've been a bit sneaky. I wanted to order a toolbox off of a website that I found, which I will put up here. I've known about it for a while, seen these on there for a while, but needed to buy other things before them. So the other day I wanted to buy myself something, a little sneaky present, so I was going to buy myself the toolbox. On that site they happen to have a large one and a medium one. Not much in it, just a little bit in it. In a minute I'll tell you the sizes. Couldn't make up my mind, so sneakily I ordered them both. Obviously don't tell the wife. We're going to open the box and see what's in it. Before we go any further, just to let you know that these aren't like your toolboxes that you can buy, you know, your Makita and your stackable toolboxes. Ryobi only seem to do very, very basic toolboxes. These are more just like a plastic box with a top on it where you can store bits and pieces, screws and whatever on top. But as for inside, they're just a basic box, so don't expect all singing, all dancing box like you can buy Makita or DeWart's or anything like that. So anyway, I'll grab them out and I'll show you. Well, there's the smaller one, I believe. Another box. I'm actually quite impressed. They look a bit better than they did on the website. Nice soft grip handle. They obviously match the Ryobi design. Look fantastic. I'll show you a bit closer in depth in a minute. But there's your first look at my Ryobi toolboxes. So that's the rtb 19-inch. Which goes to follow that this one is the rtb 22-inch. There you go, straightforward, typical English, straightforward rtb Ryobi toolbox 19-inch. So here you go, the serial numbers. But they're made from hard plastic. I was hoping with the design, if you bought two big ones, that they might be able to stand on each other. The legs might overfold, but they don't. They're just flat legs. So they stack like that, but they wouldn't stack securely, they'd slip off like that. So there you go. But overall, I think it's a nice design, looks nice, feels nice. Right, there you go, that's what they look like from the front. Nice design, nice colours, to match the Ryobi tools, the gunmetal grey and the Ryobi yellowy green. Got a nice handle. The handle itself here has got like a nice rubber overlay with impregnated dots on it, so it's got a nice grip. Not that you're going to need to hold it that tight, but... Well, there you go. There's a close-up of the handle, the rubber moulding, and nice little impregnated, they actually look like plus signs, getting close to them. It gives it a nice grip, something really nice to hold on to. And obviously the handles fold away for easy stacking. This pop out bit for your impact driver bits, screws, drawer plugs, whatever. That's the small ones. Move on to the big one. There you go, there's the big one. Again, same thing, but a little bit bigger. Right, there you go, that's what the compartments look like. Same on both, except for one slightly bigger. And they click in. Right, moving on now, let me tell you quickly about the capacities. The big one is a 56 centimetre, which roughly translates to 22 inches, 22 point something, again I'll put that up. And the smaller one is 49 centimetres, which roughly translates to 19.29 something inches. So we could say 19.3, but I'll put the exact measurement up here. They also are marked up as a litre measurement, so the big one is 56 litres and the smaller one is 33 litres. And converting that to gallons, that means that the small one is 8.7 something gallons and the big one is 14.7 something gallons. Again, I'll put that up there. Right, okay, there you go, there's the front. Now let's open them. Like I said, they're not all singing, all dancing shelves and stackable pieces. These are just empty boxes for taking your power tools in and carrying to your work site, or if you're a DIY like me, to your son's house, to your daughter's house. There they are opened up. Let's take a look inside. Not much to see, but I thought I'd show you anyway. Right, I've just popped off, stopped videoing, and I've filled them with a few tools, a few various tools. Not really tried particularly hard to fit them in, but fit quite a few in actually, so I'll give you a little look. Well, there you go, there's the big one. We've got a nail gun, jigsaw, got a grinder. I've had to take this off just to fit it in. You've got a reciprocating saw and you've got a circular saw over there. And as you can see, there's still plenty of room for bits and pieces to fit in. You can still fit a hammer in there nicely. Tape measures, spare nails for the nail gun. Fit quite a bit in there still shuts perfectly. There you go, that's the large one. Small one, you've got a multi-tool in there. Let's have a look what else we got in there. I've forgotten. You've got a hammer drill at the bottom there. You've got 3 batteries. And again, I haven't squeezed them in. There's loads of room down the middle here. Loads of room in there. You can, if you want to squeeze anything more, there's your tape measure. You've got your radio. And down there's another drill. Maybe even fit, you know, I don't know, but maybe we might even fit another tool in. It's got a battery on it. Might squeeze them in. I've never featured these in any of my videos. So if you can see, there's a loose one in there that I put in there. But these are little torque pieces. Nice little set. But a little bit of a rant about it. Ryobi rant. You get these ones empty at the back. I thought, oh, that's tight. They could have put more in there. But when you try to put more in there, you can't actually close. It catches on this little design here. If that had been straight across, you could have filled it up. And that's why it doesn't come full. Just to point that out. Anyway, move back onto toolboxes. So there you go. That can fit quite a bit in there. Like I said, once again, I haven't particularly tried to fit it in. That one doesn't close. There you go, how's that? See, I've now managed to fit an impact driver in there, and that will shut perfectly. It's in there, and that'll fit. And you'll be able to close that up. And you've got all those tools in there. So there you go. There they are. The little brother and the big brother of the Ryobi toolboxes. There's a nice close up of the clasp. It's got a nice Ryobi logo. And it's quite standard. Made of a nice alloy. Also there's the logo on the top. are together. The rtb 19 inch and the rtb 22 inch. I'll put the website up here. I believe there are websites that source tools and garden equipment from all different websites, I believe. And I do think a lot of this is coming from the rest of Europe, not from the UK. I think they're coming from France and things like that. And that's why I think we don't see them in B&Q and any of the other DIY stores, Home Base and whatever. Home Base, interestingly enough, used to stock a lot more Ryobi products, but I've noticed lately that they seem to be cutting back on their Ryobi products. I don't know if that means that eventually they're not going to be selling them anymore, but they have definitely cut back. So there's the quick video today to look at my toolboxes. Once again, don't tell the wife because she only thinks I've got that one, but I sneakily ordered that one as well. So that's why I'm doing this at 2:30 in the morning. That's why I probably look really tired. So once again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. So the next video will be out soon, so please watch that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.